Okay. So here we are. You've heard from all of these people. Actually, they are traveling and working in Kanawat Japan. And these people, I don't know them. But because of this online business we're doing, we've met, but meeting them in person, we are just like family and here.
Happy family together.
Okay, one. When you say one, we go happy family.
Yeah, okay. After one, we can have family and then.
Yeah, we got this. We got this.
Take two. No need for take two. Whatever position that you have.
Is that going?
It's still going. Okay, clear and position. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So here we are. You've heard everyone. Actually, we are here in Okinawa, Japan now. We work online, but this is the first time that we meet in person because of our online community. Now we felt like just a family.
The time.